Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart technology with an in-depth look at the ZOSKVEE Smart Watch. Designed for both women and men, this smartwatch combines style and functionality, allowing you to dial and answer calls directly from your wrist. In this video, we'll explore its standout features, including its sleek design, health monitoring capabilities, and user-friendly interface. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a stylish accessory to stay connected, the ZOSKVEE Smart Watch is here to elevate your everyday life. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about this incredible device. Let's get started. Experience ultimate connectivity and wellness with the Smart Watch for women and men, designed for seamless compatibility with both iOS and Android phones. This smartwatch lets you answer and make calls directly from your wrist, while the vibrant 1.8 HD screen provides clear visuals and smooth navigation. With 24/7 tracking for heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and stress, you'll stay informed about your health around the clock. Choose from 120 plus sports modes to support your fitness journey, and enjoy the peace of mind offered by its waterproof build. Perfect for active lifestyles and everyday convenience. Experience the ultimate blend of style and function with the iARIT smartwatch for women and men. This smartwatch lets you make and answer calls right from your wrist, keeping you connected on the go. Track your fitness goals with 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and a built-in pedometer, all visible on a stunning 1.7-inch HD full touchscreen. It's compatible with both Android and iOS phones, and its waterproof design ensures durability through every adventure. Perfect for those who want smart features in a sleek, modern package. Smartwatch for men and women. Answer, make calls. Experience seamless connectivity with this versatile smartwatch, perfect for both men and women. With Bluetooth calling, you can answer or make calls directly from your wrist, while the Advanced Health Suite monitors heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and stress levels. Its IP68 waterproof rating makes it ideal for any activity, rain or shine, and it's compatible with Android and iPhone. Choose from 100 plus sports modes on a vivid 2.0-inch display to track and elevate your fitness journey in style. Stay connected and track your health effortlessly with this smartwatch for men and women. With a sleek 2.01-inch display, it offers call capabilities so you can make and answer calls on the go. It features continuous heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and stress monitoring to keep your wellness in check 24/7. The IP68 waterproof rating lets you wear it in all conditions, making it perfect for any activity. Plus, with 100 plus sports modes, it's a versatile fitness companion for both Android and iPhone users. Upgrade your fitness game with the smartwatch featuring a 1.91 HD screen for crystal clear visuals. This stylish smartwatch lets you answer and make calls directly from your wrist, keeping you connected on the go. With 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and step counting, it's your personal health assistant. Choose from 110 plus sports modes for all your activities, and with its IP68 waterproof rating, it's built for any adventure. Compatible with both Android and iOS, it's the ultimate all-in-one fitness companion.